Good morning, students. In last class, we done introduction for exponents and powers. Now, we will see exercise 4.1, simplify and give reasons. As I said already, how to simplify, I said for first question maybe. Remaining you do it, and otherwise I will say one more problem here. -3 whole power minus 4. How you have to simplify. So whenever you ask to simplify, see which formula it matches. So first you have to keep some formula in your brain. That is, it is like some base, and in power you have a minus term. In power you have minus. Base something is there, it is having minus or plus, leave it out. In power minus is there. With power minus you have one formula, that is a to the power of minus 1. What is the formula for this one is 1 by a power m. If you apply same formula for this one, application is very important. What you have to do is 1 by -3 whole power 4 you have to write it. First step, you have to see which formula should be matches for this question. That formula you have to write it and compare. In place of a what you have, in place of m what you have, everything compare it, write this one as this one. Next you have one rule, that is in base if you have minus and in power if any number is there, first see this number is either even or odd. Okay, so what is the value of -1 to the power of 100? If anyone will ask, sir please wait, I want to write -1 100 times and I will do multiplication, and I will say, we should not say like this. We should not say. Why we should not say? It is a time wasting. So what happens is, minus, if it is repeated even number of times, you know minus into minus. Minus into minus is always plus. So plus into minus. Plus into minus is always minus. So if minus is repeated even number of times, odd number of times. See here, minus into minus plus means minus repeated 2 times. Minus into minus into minus. Minus repeated 3 times here. 3 times minus repeated means answer minus will come. 2 times if minus is repeated, if you multiply, you are getting plus. So by using that rule, even or odd, when you can say any number is even means a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any number in its units place, you have the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is said to be called even number. Simply if I want to say, the number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. And the meaning is 2 table. If you read, if that number will come, then it is a even number. So some students will ask that, sir 40, I am reading 2 table but I am not getting 40, they will say. Because teachers will ask to learn tables up to 2 tens. 2 tens are how much here? 20. So 2 table I read, sir, but 40 is not coming. So 2 table, it won't end up to 10 only. In tables book it will be given like that. But 2 table, it is infinity. Okay. So 40, 2 20s are 40. So in 2 table, 40 also will come. Okay. Now, -3 whole power 4 means, -3 whole power 4 means minus repeated even number of times. 4 is even number. So the answer will come as plus only. 3 power 4. One by, it is plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, like this, not necessary. Always minus to the power of even number, it is plus only. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So if you simplify this question, you are getting answer as 1 by 81. No need of doing still division here. You can stop up to here. Okay. Next question is, next question, 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. For seeing, maybe it is difficult, but it is very easiest problem. So, what I said, in power you are seeing minus. In power, if you are seeing minus, you have to remember one formula in which power is minus. Same formula, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. By using this, these enter, how you can write it. 4 power minus 1, I can write as 1 by 4. Because 4 power 1 means 4 power 1 is nothing but 4 only. Next, 1 by 3, brackets closed, divided by 6 power minus 1, 1 by 6. So this, by using that formula, I simplified like this. Next, to do problems, always we have to keep in mind of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. This rule, if you won't follow maths, it will become very difficult. Okay. Now, BODMAS rule, first B stands for, you have to simplify first which is there inside the brackets. Inside the brackets, if you have into also, you can do first. So now, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 means two fractions. How you have to multiply? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So I kept in the brackets divided by 1 by 6. Okay. Now 1 ones are 1 only, 4 threes are 12. This divided by same, 1 by 6 also same only. So now 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 6. In 7th class, a rational number divided by a rational number. We done here. That is 1 by 12 divided by becomes into, this fraction will be reversed, 6 by 1. Now if you multiply 1 into 6 by 12 into 1. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are. How much you are getting? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer for this question. Okay. Now we have to simplify stepwise like this. Next question. What is the next question? Say it here. Simplify and give reasons. So 4 power 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay, you have first of all the formulae or identities which are present in the chapter, you have to by heart it. Then only these problems will be understood for you. Now 4 to the power of 0, 4 power 0, any base, if its power is 0, its value is 1. So now 4 power 0 value is how much? 1. Next, 5 power minus 1. As I said, in power minus is there, you can write 1 by 5. This is 5 square as it is into 1 by 3 as it is. Now 1 plus 1 by 5. As I said, BODMAS rule, first brackets. First you have to add these two. So many will add 1 plus 1 by 5. How to add, they don't know. So to add a rational number with any other number, you have to take LCM. The students who doesn't know LCM, they can't pass any examination. Okay. Now 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. The LCM for 1 and 5 is 5. You have to write in the denominator. Now this 1 is there. One table you have to read up to LCM 5 will come. 1. In this how many times will go? 1. If you read one table, when 5 will come? 5. This 5 should write it. It's a numerator 1. So plus you have to write it here. How you perform here? You have to go for this one also. Here denominator 1 is there. You write one table. What is there in the denominator here? 5. 5 table you have to read. Up to where 5 will come. 5 how many times will go? 1 time. That 1 you have to write here, it's a numerator. So here 5 ones are how much? 5. 1 ones are 1 plus by 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5. So what you are getting is, if you do LCM, you are getting 6 divided by 5. For 1, if you add 1 by 5, you are getting 6 by 5 like this. So this is into 5 square means here 25. Keep it brackets here. 25 into 1 by 3. It is also into 25 into 1 by 3. So you are getting here 6 by 5. 6 by 5 into 25 into 1 by 3. So this all intos are there. Then denominator and numerator, if they will go in same table, you can cancel that numbers. So here 25 can be written as 25 by 1. You are getting 6 into 25 into 1 in numerator, 5 into 1 into 3 in the denominator. 3 table if you read, you are getting 6 or not, 2 times it will go. 5 table if you read, 25 you are getting or not, 5 times. So in numerator you have 2 into 5. Denominator all ones only. 2 5s is 10. So what is the answer you got here? 10 you got it. So this is the process which you have to do. Should do problem more number of times. So if you practice 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, like that you will come. If you copy from any other book or guide, you never learn mathematics. Okay. Next question is 1 by 2. These are very important for higher studies. These, if you don't know, you will face maximum problem in mathematics. See, they given like this. So we can apply formula for this one. What formula I have to do? A by B whole power minus m is there. Here fraction is there. What I said here, a power minus m means 1 by a power m I said. By using this also we can do, but this is very easy. A by b whole power minus m you can write as b by a whole power m. See here, fraction whatever is there in power, if you have minus, remove minus, fraction should be reversed. So I am using this formula for this one. Now 1 by 2 reverse them. Reversed means you will get 2 by 1 only or not. And remove the minus, into 3 will come. Again 1 by 4 and power minus is there. 1 by 4 reverse them. 4 by 1 power in power minus, remove it, 3. Next again 1 by 5 reverse the 5 by 1 in power minus, you have to remove 3. So what you got is 2 cube into 4 cube into 5 cube, you got it. 2 cube into 4 cube into 5 cube, you got it. So this is how you have to do it. So you have one formula, a power m into b power m can be written as a into b whole power m. So powers are same, bases are different. You can apply this formula. Here all powers are same, bases are different. So all bases you have to multiply and power you have to write only one time. This power is common for all the terms. Now if you multiply 5 2s are how much here? 10. 10 4s are how much? 40. 40 whole cube. 40 whole cube. 40 whole cube means 40 into 40 into 40. 40 40 is you are getting 1600. Again into 40 if you do it, 3 zeros, 4 16s are 64. So you are getting 64,000. Okay. Now this is the process how we have to do very simply. So you have to do like this means you have to practice, and also some formulae which are used that should be by hearted. Okay. So without knowing tables, can you do maths means? No, you can't do it. Now, some more problems will do. What is the next problem here? 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. How we have to do is it? So again in powers minus you are seeing or not? So a power minus m formula 1 by a power m. Being m is 1, you can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 you can write it. Next, how to do LCM? Addition. For multiplication only 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is there. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. This is only for multiplication. So, addition 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, numerator plus numerator, denominator plus denominator. If you write, you will fail in the examination. It is wrong. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to take LCM here. What is that LCM sheet? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. LCM. For 2, 3, 4, LCM is 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 12 you are getting. You are getting 12 as LCM. 2 how many times will go? 6 times. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 how many times will go? 4 times. 4 1s are 4. 4 how many times will go? 3 times. Into 3 by 4. Now 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. You are getting 13 divided by 16. This is the answer. So you have to practice how to do additions. Okay. So if you have any doubt, just call me. I hope that you understood. Practice it. Thank you.